Dry mops. As the name suggests, it is used to pick up dry and loose dirt such as soil, sand, dust, and food debris, usually from the hard smooth surfaces. I know what you are thinking. We can use soft broom for the same purpose. Technically you can, but brooms simply pushes dust and dirt around. The dust particle starts flying in air, which can cause allergy, and also after you done sweeping, these dust particles will settle back on other articles. But dry mops have a swivel frame covered with a fabric cloth or a microfiber head attached to a handle. This microfiber cloth has bunch of yarn which traps dust, fine debris, hairs, etc. and don't allow it to fly in the air. For the reason it holds the dust, it is also called dust control mop. So for this reason it becomes an excellent choice over soft brooms for using indoor, specifically on smooth surfaces or floors. But some people also use dry mops for removing dust on walls and ceilings. Also, most of the dry mops comes with a removable microfiber head which can be washed when it becomes dirty or can also be replaced when worn out. For effective cleaning, keep the mop head in contact with floor surface throughout and lift it off and shake it when you want to dispose the collected dust or dirt. Mop in one direction or in a consistent pattern. Types of dry mops. There are variety of dry mops available in the market with variation in shapes and sizes. Here we are going to focus on some specific mops used in hotel housekeeping. Mop with impregnated fringes. Here word impregnated means to cause to infuse or permeated throughout as with a substance. So impregnated dry mops are impregnated with a special dust absorption liquid which enhances its capacity to attract and hold dust and dirt and prevent the dissemination of dust. These types of mops may require impregnation before each use, but do allow sufficient time for mineral oil to impregnate or to cure the fibers. Else mop will leave a film of oil on cleaned surface. Similar to this, we also have a double hinged frame dry mop that we call Impregnated Mop Sweeper. Due to its shape of double hinged frame, it's also called V-sweeper. It also has two handles which controls the movement of these frames like a scissor. So it's also known as scissor action sweeper. Static mop. The fabric or cloth we use for these kind of mops is made up of acrylic, nylon or polyester strands. These kind of fabric, when get in touch with floor surface and continuous movement is created, it builds static charge on the fringes. This helps in attracting and holding the dust particles. These kind of mops are more easily maintained than impregnated mops. Disposable mops. As the name suggests, disposable means intend to be thrown away after use. Usually the lower fringe part is disposed of or replaced after every use or once it gets dirty. As these are disposable mops, so we can take cheap cotton or synthetic material. As these mops require constant replacement of head, so it becomes more expensive. These are used in areas where we require extreme hygienic condition and suitable when infection control is required, such as hospitals or doctor room in hotel. Care and cleaning of dry mops. Shake off the mops to loosen the dust and dirt after every use before storing or washing. Choose the kind of mop which has easily detachable head so that it can be frequently washed. Wash in hot water with detergent. Prefer using soap-free detergent which prevents forming of scum. Scum can clog the fibers of head. During washing, mop must be walked up and down in at least 2 times of clean hot water. After washing, squeeze out and shake well to get rid of excess moisture and left it to dry in open air. Once dry, one may go for re-impregnation if required. Well, this was all about dry mops. I have also made a dedicated video on wet mop, for which you can check the I button above, or link is also provided in the description below.